Hey guys, today is Monday and I'm just wearing a really comfortable outfit right now because I'm on my period. So not much effort was put in there, but I have a test for my first class and I've been studying since I got off work yesterday and all of this morning, so hopefully it goes well, but I'm just about to leave for school now. Okay, so I actually ended up coming back home because my cramps got really bad and right now I'm trying to figure out my to-do list for the week, especially today. And my goal is to get kind of the miscellaneous participation tasks done first because I have a huge essay coming up and I already wrote my test for today. And so I want to get the little stuff out of the way so I can have as much time as possible to just focus on the heavy work, which for me is mostly my essay. So my goal is to just submit some exercises, get a reading response done today. And I'm also running for a position in a club and I have a speech tomorrow. So hopefully that goes well. I'm not necessarily looking to win the position, but I'm just trying to get my foot in through the door. So that's the goal with that. I'm just looking to get this done. I'm making a little to-do list right now. So yeah. Came home and I did some like household chores like the dishes and laundry and vacuumed a bit just because I feel like I needed a break before I hopped right back into work. But yes.
I'm Reza's roommate. What else do we say?
What are you working on?
I'm working on French because I'm terrified I'm gonna bomb this test like the last one.
She didn't bomb the last one.
I did!
And then we have
She got an 84.
I didn't get an 84.
Alonza.
My name is Alonza, and I'm reading this book because I'm almost done, so I might as well.
Yeah. She's visiting. She's staying over today.
I'm basically a roommate.
That's something. This is Anna.
Hello.
We met in French class and we just did spin together.
Ooh,
And yeah, it was good.
It was like a solid 7 out of 10 intensity today.
Yeah.
Iced oat milk London fog, guys.
Yes. And then I got an iced vanilla oat latte. And it cost me an arm and a leg.
Yeah, hers was $2 more than mine.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, I am Bolu. We're studying in IKB, and that's what we're doing.
Hello, my name is Olivia. I'm also studying IKB. We've got some good old Math 215 going on here. I've got my lunchbox. So here's the thing, right? I had a 9:30 lecture this morning, and I wanted to get some video footage for it, but it's a no device lecture. And so it was like 9:20, and I was like, where can I put my camera? Just as a time lapse even, and it didn't work out. So I'm lacking a lot of in-class footage for this vlog, but I swear I'm working, and now I'm in the library grinding away.
When I had hamburgers before, I had to run one like toothpick through the.
It looks like it's like floating in space.
I mean, it kind of is.
Nothing to add.
No paparazzi.
Nothing to say. And I don't want to be caught with the side bang today.
See, I can look good when I want to. I can look fly when I want to. I'm going to a pre-law event tonight, and it's like a social mixer. So there's a lot of law students and students in the pre-law society at university, and also people who are just part of the club, including me and my friends who are gonna go. And they have wine and they have cheese as well. So I will be indulging in that cheese. Let's just take a moment to appreciate the hair on my Nespresso. I'm headed out to do that now. So I always find it so funny when I actually do my makeup for things, because like I just don't wear makeup every day, not for any particular reason, but honestly just because I'm lazy, and to do my makeup I would have to wake up earlier every morning. It makes it so much nicer when I do wear makeup, because I'm like, look, I can show up, I can show out. Of course the glasses go on because I can't see without them that well, and it makes me look like an intellectual. My first class finished early, so I'm walking to go get some breakfast right now. It's a little annoying because like class finished early, and it's my only class for the day because my other one got canceled, but I'm not complaining.
Playing Fuji Ball.
Oh, they walked away. He walked away.
Never mind, he doesn't want to play. He thinks we're singing.
Yeah. They don't speak much.
I'm Taylor. Today I'm working on my family studies paper. It's due in 2 weeks, and I did start it today. I was supposed to start working on it a couple months ago, but I think I thought I would do it really good and easy, and it's actually turning out to be not easy. However, I'm hopeful that it'll go well, and I'm so excited for my fries to come.
Hello! Look who's back. What are you working on?
My USC 250 homework assignment.
Yes! So, here's the update. I have been working away since the morning. I had my tutorial at 10 a.m. this morning, and then my second class got canceled, which was great, except I had a test on it on Monday. I was hoping for a little advice. But you know, we're in the gallery, I'm taking a break, been slaving away on a paper, and yeah, gonna lock in tonight. And the fries are here.
You guys see that?
Are you getting the steam put off them too? They're fresh. Okay. Hi vlog. Today is Sunday and I didn't film yesterday because I studied all day, went grocery shopping, and then went to a white lie party, and it was fun, but I didn't stay long because I have work today. So I'm working about 6 hours today, and woke up, did my lesson plans, ate some breakfast, and I'm just gonna pack lunch and go. So that's the plan for today. What about you guys?
Study. Eat. Coffee.
Rithu, how about you?
Speak up.
We can't hear you.
You wanna come on a run with me? You said the next time I. Okay.
And she's gone. The sentence tells us what the paragraph is mainly about. Usually it comes at the beginning of each paragraph. So can we circle this